Wolf Ridge is a private nonprofit. We're also an accredited school. And so typically students, kids of really all ages come to Wolf Ridge to learn about everything in relation to the environment, whether that be energy, nature, or themselves, outdoor recreation. Many come for school, some come for summer camp, some come with other organized groups that will spend 3 to 5, maybe even 4 weeks here, let alone 3 to 5 days being the most common.
I like the nature and like the scenery like behind me. I like being outdoors and just seeing what there is.
What has been your favorite thing so far?
I think these are ready.
My favorite thing is
well, it gives them a chance to live differently, I think, to enjoy the fact that it is outside all the time, and it's away from the TV, and it's away from the kind of environment that they might be used to, and to try something new and exciting and adventurous, and to see things differently through all the people that they get to know while they're here.
I can't see!
Captain's coming! Bingo! Bingo! Bingo!
Well, they really helped us out. CERTS did with the energy classes that we have here, with a lot of resources to use in the classroom that we have. We have displays by them that are really helpful for the energy classes, and hands-on equipment to use in the class, and so they've really helped us out, and it's really fun using that equipment in the class.
It's really interactive. It's not like sitting in a classroom and taking notes and writing papers. It's just your opinion, and it's fun.
They're learning in such a welcoming and entertaining environment that it really doesn't feel like education to them, even though every time they have a class they're learning something new, but it's presented in such a way that they're at camp. They're not at school.